In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract image by using Blender's multi-extrude feature. Please activate an add-on called Edit Mesh Tools. This tool only works in edit mode, and it works better on subdivided meshes. The tool can be found under Edit menu. Edit Mesh Tools add-on has quite a number of other features, so please try using them to learn what they would do. What we will be using is a tool called Multi-Extrude. This is how the tool works. It allows us to do things that are impossible to do with Blender's regular extrude tool. Let's create a UV sphere, and use the Multi-Extrude tool in edit mode. I'll add a golden material, and use the sky texture as the environment light. I'll add a ground plane. We can also extrude and shade smooth the mesh. This is optional, but I'll also add a point light. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.